Hello everybody and welcome back to Smart Photo Reviews channel. We have one interesting product that can be an excellent present for some of your dear ones or for yourself. It's Joby Gorillapod 3K. It's a little tripod that can be fitted to be used in almost every situation for different angles and different purposes. Stay with us a little bit longer to see all the details about it. With the first touch, when you hold this box, you can feel how lightweight this little Gorillapod tripod is. It's extremely lightweight, around 14 ounces or 0.41 kilograms, which is excellent because it can carry loads up to 3 kilograms. So some main features are indicated here on the box. As you can see, you can wrap it around some objects. You can use it as a selfie stick, or you can use it fully extended if needed. Let's see what's in the box. You get this little paper instructions, then this plastic that supports and secures the tripod, and here is how it looks. It has these wrapping legs that can be adjusted the way you want it, and this is a kit in which you get a ball head that looks like this. We will see how it works in practice. Okay, now let's see the main elements and how they work of this little Gorillapod 3K. First of all, you have a quick release plate here that you release by pushing this little lever. It looks like this. It has a little spirit level here, so you can straighten up your horizons. The only caveat is here that you have to use some kind of tool, some coin or something else to attach the quick release plate to your camera. But when you are done with it, you just slide it here like this. And this little ball head is so strong and so secure that you cannot believe how tight it can secure your camera. Look, I'm trying with all my force to move the ball head, but it doesn't move a single millimeter. So it's very well done. Also, you can detach it from the tripod and use some other ball head if you need it, but I think that this little ball head is all you will ever need if you want this little tripod. About the legs, as you saw on the box, you can move them like this. In this configuration, if you want to make some selfies or vlogging for your channel or something else, you can do some low configuration like this for some close-up photography or landscape photography. These little flexible legs are easy to move around and position the way you want, and are extremely well done and can hold a lot of weight, which is excellent. So these are the main features of this little Gorillapod. So this is one a little bit extreme configuration with 70-200 lens and a mirrorless Nikon camera. As you can see, we have about 2 kilograms of equipment attached to this Gorillapod, and it stands pretty securely like this. Of course, if you put the legs a bit lower, then it's all about physics. Now it holds. The last time I tried this, it couldn't support this weight. Yeah, it's going down a bit. It's going down a bit. So you cannot put it like that. It's more secure to put it like this. And of course, you can wrap it around some not usually shaped objects to make it even more ready to use for some extreme angles and extreme situations. But if you need to carry that much load, or even more, then there is a bigger and sturdier model. It's a 5K, so you can consider it if you need more than this one can carry. Now here is some extreme configuration of this little Gorillapod that we wrapped around the tripod leg. As you can see, it holds camera with 70 to 200 lens. It's a bit extreme, but it can be used. I suggest you take care when you wrap around these legs around something, because if you use excessive force, then these pop-up elements can pop out because they are not that tightly fastened together. So you don't have to use, you must not use excessive force, or you can pop out these segments while you're attaching it to something. So this is some kind of configuration that can be used. It can be wrapped around some other objects like branches, benches, or something like that. So you can use your camera in very difficult situations and in very difficult angles to achieve with some other tripods. So what is our final conclusion? Can we recommend this product to you or not? Well, it depends. It depends how heavy equipment you are planning to attach to this tripod. If you have equipment that is up to 2 kilograms, then you can use this tripod in most of the situations. As you saw, there are some configurations that are not so sturdy, and you have to be careful with that. About quick release plate, it's very nice. It's great addition to this tripod. Spirit level is here. Little ball head is excellent, is very sturdy. It holds extremely well, much better than these legs. So if you have some kind of camera, mirrorless camera with a standard kit lens, or a smaller DSLR camera with kit lens, or some lighter lenses with your DSLRs or mirrorless cameras, then you can use this tripod, 3K tripod. But if you need to attach a bit more load, then you will have to check out the bigger one, the 5K model. In general, we can recommend this product if the equipment you are planning to attach to it suits the specification, and then you can use this tripod to mount almost in every situation and extreme angles and whatever you may need. Also, one suggestion: when you wrap these legs around some objects, be sure not to use excessive force, because these pop-out segments can, not so easily, but if you use excessive force, then they can pop out. That's all for today from Smart Photo Reviews channels. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you think it might be interesting for some of your friends. Until next time, we are saying bye-bye.